Is Meta's latest tech revolution about to change the way we interact with AI forever? From innovative AI models that revolutionize how we process information to high-tech AR glasses that bring the future right into your hands, Meta is pushing boundaries like never before. With their LLAMA 3.2 model rivaling OpenAI and celebrity voices making AI feel more personal, it's clear we're entering a new era of AI-driven innovation. But how does this compare to the competition, and what does it mean for you? Let's dive into the tech that's shaping the future of AI and AR. Experience the power of the 90B vision models, which are now supporting 8 languages and capable of processing up to 128,000 tokens in context, revolutionizing the way you interact with AI. Moreover, Meta isn't just pushing AI forward, they're also introducing new AR glasses called Orion, along with VR technology and AI-powered ads. In addition, Meta AI can now respond using celebrity voices, making interactions even smoother. To elaborate on these advancements, LLAMA 3.2 comes in different sizes based on your needs. For instance, the smaller models like the 1B and 3B versions are ideal for simple text tasks and are perfect for mobile apps or devices that require a lightweight AI that won't slow things down. But if you're working on something more complicated, the 11B and 90B vision models are where it gets exciting. These can handle both text and images, meaning they can actually see and understand visual info. They're great for things like image captioning, analyzing documents, and answering questions about what's in a picture. Meta didn't just throw these models out there. They seriously tested LLAMA 3.2 on over 150 different datasets in multiple languages. And this wasn't just simple testing. Real humans compared these models to others like Anthropic's Claude 3, HAO, and OpenAI's GPT-4 Mini. In short, these models are real competitors in the AI world. Let's break down the numbers because they're pretty cool. The LLAMA 3.2 models can handle a 128,000 token context length. What does that mean in simple terms? It means they can process a huge amount of data. Imagine giving the AI hundreds of pages from a textbook and it just keeps going without any trouble. This makes it perfect for things like creating long pieces of content, analyzing detailed reports, or handling big data. And here's what makes these models even more useful. They support 8 languages right out of the box. These include English, Spanish, French, German, Italian, Portuguese, Hindi, and Thai. So if you're building something that needs to work worldwide or deal with multiple languages, you're all set. If you're more interested in mobile or edge applications, the 1B and 3B models are your best bet. They're small, but still powerful enough to handle tasks like text summarization, language translation, and automating customer service. The best part? These models can run directly on your device, which means faster responses and better privacy since you don't always need to connect to the cloud. If you need some serious power, the 11B and 90B vision models are where things really get exciting. These models can handle both images and text together. In simple terms, they can look at pictures and read text at the same time. This makes them perfect for jobs like document analysis, where you have a mix of text and images. For example, if you're working with a scanned document that has charts and tables, the 90B vision model can handle it easily. It's built to work with high-quality images and can even understand what it's seeing. This makes it great for industries that need advanced image processing and visual reasoning. On the tech side, Meta also introduced the LLAMA stack, which is like a toolkit that helps developers easily use and deploy these models. The stack includes tools like API adapters and others that help test the LLAMA models across different platforms. For developers, this means you can combine different parts to build AI applications without starting from scratch. Meta made sure these models are accessible, whether you're working in the cloud or on local devices. You can access them through Amazon Bedrock, or you can use platforms like Hugging Face and llama.com. Meta is also focusing on making these models open source, which means you can customize and fine-tune them however you like. Zuckerberg himself compared this to creating the Linux of AI, meaning these tools are open, flexible, and available to everyone. Meta isn't just focusing on AI. They're also pushing forward with other cool technologies, especially in augmented reality. At their big developer event, they revealed their new Orion glasses. These are next-gen AR glasses that can project digital images, media, games, and even people into the real world. They're not just a futuristic idea. They have the widest field of view in the industry, which means they're more immersive than anything else available right now. The Orion glasses aren't ready for consumers yet, but Meta expects to launch the first version around 2027, maybe even earlier. Right now, they're being tested inside the company and with a few select developers. In addition to the Orion glasses, Meta is very serious about this technology and is already making progress with their Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses, which have been a big hit. In fact, these smart glasses sold more units in just a few months than the previous version sold in 2 years. That shows people are really interested in AI-powered wearables. Moreover, speaking of wearables, Meta also announced a cheaper version of their Quest 3 virtual reality headset called the Quest 3S. This new model will be released on October 15th and will cost $299 for the basic version. The Quest 3S is designed to be more affordable, making VR accessible to more people. Furthermore, Meta is also stopping production of the older Quest 2 and Quest Pro models, and they're dropping the price of the regular Quest 3 from $649 to $499. So if you're looking to try VR without spending too much money, the Quest 3S could be a great option. One of the coolest updates Meta introduced during the conference is the new voice feature for Meta AI. This is where things get fun. Meta AI can now talk back to you, and you can choose from a bunch of celebrity voices like Judi Dench, John Cena, Kristen Bell, and Keegan-Michael Key. It can help you do things like create images, answer your questions, or give you advice. So, if you're using WhatsApp, Messenger, Facebook, or Instagram, your AI assistant can now respond with a familiar voice. Meta's idea here is to make chatting with AI feel more natural, and they believe using voice is an easier and more intuitive way for people to communicate with their AI assistants. But the voice feature isn't just for chatting. Meta AI can also analyze images you share in a chat and even make quick edits, like removing objects or changing the background. This is a big leap forward for practical AI use, especially when you want to make fast edits on the go. The AI can respond to either voice or text commands, giving you more ways to interact with it based on what's convenient for you. On the business side, Meta is expanding its AI tools for advertisers. Right now, over 1 million advertisers are using Meta's AI to create ad campaigns. In just the past month, more than 15 million ads were made using these tools. Meta's data shows that AI-powered campaigns have an 11% higher click-through rate and a 7.6% higher conversion rate compared to regular campaigns. That's a big improvement, proving how useful AI can be for digital marketing. Meta is also working on making content even more personalized with AI. They're building systems that can create custom images based on what users like, and are even trying out AI-generated avatars that could look like real people. This tech could eventually make content on social media fully personalized, making it even more tailored to each user's preferences. In this new era of technology, Meta's dive into AI and AR isn't just a glimpse into the future. It's an invitation to reimagine how we live, work, and interact with technology. Just like athletes who face constant pressure to perform and adapt, Meta is navigating a fiercely competitive landscape with determination and bold innovation. So, are you ready for a world where AI can speak to you like a celebrity, where AR glasses blur the lines between digital and real? Thank you for being with us through this informative video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your subscription helps us continue creating quality content for you.